So alright guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time of seeing my content, if this is your first time of seeing my video, this is 𝐲𝐬 Logistics. So here we discuss how to make money online, we discuss arbitrage, we discuss e-commerce, how you can develop, grow your business online, and most especially on mini importation business. So in a very quick one, what you want to do to join our community is to subscribe, like the video, and share to whomsoever you think this video will be helpful to. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be talking much about how you can delete an Alipay account. All right, what is the cost of deleting an Alipay account? Okay, this might due to the fact that maybe your account has violated one or two policies on Alipay. Maybe you chat Alipay customer services and they told you to the best option is to delete a Alipay account. So I'm going to be using this method, this tutorial, to show you exact same method you can use to delete your Alipay account. Of course, in my previous video, I recorded a video on how you can delete a Alipay account. All right, maybe you're having issues with your 1688 and you want to delete this account. Okay, so but that is the old method of it. This is the recent development on Alipay. They have given us a direct access that we can use to delete the Alipay account, which I'm going to be showing you the exact same method right here. So once you log into your Alipay right here, you click on accounts here. Okay, clicking on account will takes you here. You can see, let me click on balance. This is one of my clients accounts, and you can see that this account is verified, right? So I'm going to be deleting this account right away. Okay, but before this time, if you need someone to help you purchase items from 1688, you want them to help you pay your supplier, or you want to fund your RMB, you want to buy RMB or fund your Alipay account, you can reach out to me on this number displaying on your screen right here. Okay, so I can help you procure, I can help you fund your Alipay directly. All right, so without further more ado, you want to click on this setting icon here. You click on this setting icon. Setting icons will take you to this surface. Okay, so you are going to be sticking around with the first option, which is account and security. Clicking on account and security will take you to this page. Now you want to make sure you are on the right surface of these settings. Okay, so you are going to be making use of this last option, which have to do with account cancel. We want to cancel this account, we want to delete this account, so you click on it. Clicking on it will load another surface and takes you to this surface where they want to ask you the reason why you are deleting this account, the reason why you are canceling this account. Okay, so you can just stick around with any of these options. So let me just say I want to stick around with this first option here, and I will click on next. Okay, so clicking on next now will takes me to where I'm going to be deleting it, and the instructions they are giving to me that this is the consequences of deleting this account. So you can see that this is what they are telling me, that anything on this account, anything bind to this account will be deleted automatically once I proceed in deleting this account. So I will click on confirm, continue and confirm. All right, clicking on continue and confirm is going to load this page, and this countdown will start. So once it gets to this countdown and it has reached to 0, it will automatically load this page and delete and log me out of their Alipay. Okay, so now this is the last stage. Once you get to this last stage, which have to do with ID verification, in some cases it might not be showing you this, but however, if it shows you this, you want to click on ID verification here. Clicking on ID verification will just prompt you to input your payment password, okay, which I'm going to be doing right away. Okay, so once you input your payment password here, the account will be automatically be deleted. Password now, then you can see that it's going to be deleting this account right away. So this is this very simple method you want to use to delete your Alipay account. You can see that this account has successfully been deleted. So they don't have any of your data on their system. They've erased everything. So you can now proceed in registering or doing whatever it is that you want to do. So I will definitely see you in my next video.